Vietnamese rice vermicelli with grilled pork and egg rolls is the most traditional and popular dish which one will find at almost all Vietnamese restaurants. This is a recipe which I recommend to prepare on the weekend. I often prepare my egg rolls in advance and I leave them in the freezer. So before I prepare this recipe, I just take the egg rolls out and deep fry it. To serve this recipe, first add bean sprout, noodle, grilled pork, cucumber, herbs such as mint, Vietnamese carrots and radish pickles, which I will show you how to make it later in this video, and top with roasted peanut. Finally, the next two ingredients, which are fish sauce and scallions and oil to garnish over grilled pork, will bring out the aroma of this beautiful and delicious Vietnamese grilled pork and egg roll. If you are interested in making this recipe, follow me. By the way, please like, share, and subscribe. I would appreciate it very much. Let's get to the recipe. Cut the meat in thin slices using half a stem of lemongrass and mince it up as small as you can. Add lemongrass into a food processor. Add 1 clove of shallot, 1 inch in length, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of white spice powder, and 2.5 tablespoons of light brown sugar. Finally, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. Add 1/2 cup of water, teaspoon of annatto seed for coloring, then mix all of them in the blender. Add the sauce to the meat and marinate for at least 30 minutes. Add in 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Cover with plastic wrap and chill in the refrigerator until you're ready to cook. Now I'm going to prepare my rice vermicelli. By far, this is the best brand that I found recently at an Asian market. I like its packaging. It comes in a small stack, and 2 stacks or rolls should be enough for 1 person. I am preparing servings for 5 people, so I'm using an 8-quart pot. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Salt adds flavor and prevents noodle from getting too soggy during cooking process. Cook noodle until al dente. When water boils, add in noodle. This process takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Place a bowl inside a colander just like that to help drain water from the noodle. Rinse with cold water and set aside. I'm going to get my meat ready by slicing each piece of meat into the skewer just like that. Sprinkle chopped roasted peanut over the meat. My magic ninja grill. Grill in 20 minutes under medium and my meat is ready. If you can barbecue outdoor, that's even better. I have uploaded my Vietnamese egg roll in my previous video, so please refer to that. We're almost done. Now I'm just going to prepare my side dishes. Cucumber. Cut it just like that. For the fish sauce, I have also included this recipe in my Vietnamese egg roll video, so please refer to that video. Cut carrots and radish in strips or in round shapes, but try to cut it as thin as you can. Add 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 tablespoons of water. Mix them up and let it sit and marinate for a good 30 minutes and you are done. Ladies and gentlemen, my rice vermicelli with grilled pork skewers and egg rolls are done. I'm ready to serve this meal for our dinner. My son has been asking me to cook this recipe, but I didn't have time to put everything together. As you can tell, it requires some time to prepare this recipe. I'm a mom, I'm not a chef. I cook daily for my family. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a try. Let me know how it goes. And please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for your time. Until then, take care. Bye now. Please enjoy my Vietnamese rice vermicelli with grilled pork and egg rolls. Bún chả giò thịt nướng. Xin mời.